So what is it? 4th of August. So
4th of August,
okay.
2025.
It's August 4th, 2025. My name is Steve Peters, and I'm standing in front of my house / old store / the tin shop at 41 St Catharine Street here in St. Thomas, Ontario, Canada, the home of where Jumbo did Saturday. With me is James Reaney. James is the godson of a lady that I bought this house from, June Rose Beatty. June Rose Beatty's parents, Stewart and what's Mrs. Rose's name?
Oh, it'll come to us.
Anyway,
We'll get that.
They bought the house in 1933, and their daughter June Rose was good friends with Colleen Thibaudeau at the time, and through a long series of events, James and I connected. Even though I knew James, I remember Alice from auction sales, John Thibaudeau taught at Arthur Bowden, my old high school. I remember John well. I remember James' parents extremely well, particularly James Sr. and the Donnellys, mainly because of the Donnelly connection to St. Thomas. That was always an interesting. Jenny Donnelly, on Donner's side.
I know.
So this is a quick impromptu visit. So Colleen Thibaudeau wrote a poem about this house right here. And we're not sure what year she wrote this, but yeah,
My sister thinks 1984. She thinks
84. So this would have taken place. What she's talking about, the Roses moved in here in 33. I'm guessing late Depression era.
Yep.
And across the street from where we're standing is the Public Utilities Commission. It used to be, previous to that, it was the gas works, where they spot coal to make gas. And in your mom's era and June's era, it was a skating rink over there. It was like a local park. It was called Whooping Cough Park. And because of the gases coming out of the ground, kind of like Horton Street in London, if you remember that way.
Yeah.
So anyway, Colleen wrote this poem about the place. This is the first time I've ever recited. Little car, little hockey style. Car. The tin shop. The tin shop never sounded tin. It sounded canaries because of the Great Depression. No one wanted eaves, but everyone wanted canaries. It became the place where we changed our skates, sharpened them, traced our initials on the floor, sipped cocoa. The tinsmith bred canaries that lived in the tin apartments, elaborate as palaces, spacious, and filling all the upper air with communal soprano. The tin shop never sounded tin. It became a meeting place for men, displaced workers, all their strengths now gone into those deep voices, vibrantly disaffected, politically haranguing words scored as deeply in the wooden floors as our skate blades. The canaries sang and molted, a world of yellow. The men's words, strong, bedeviled, are they, in the end, gone like this? Songs and the feathers. Well, that would have been all upstairs here, and the skates would have been right down here at 41 St. Catharine, the old tin shop.